Here we go, guys. We're going to do the randomizing, and then I'll go grab all the boxes. 11 times. Uh-oh. Click that there. And here we go. 11 times on each side. And then we'll see what you get. Tebow, you get top billing in this one. Tebow 444. Tebow, that break you sent over still has 6 left. Hopefully we get that one filled up by the end of the day. That was a lot of breaks sent over. We did that one on Friday as well. A lot of the people that got in Friday didn't jump in this round, so I don't know. 11 times. A Will shows in the bottom. Tebow gets the Grizz on top, and that goes all the way down to the Raptors for Will. 11 times. Pistons, Fung. You got the Pistons. That's a good team. Chock full of good hits. There we go. Alright guys, well I'll stop this video. I'll be right back with the break. I gotta set the table up. Be right back. See ya.